Welcome back. So before we continue, I want to talk about solutions because I kind of made a solution boo-boo here. And when I say that, I pretty much mean that you should not put in spaces in a solution name. That would just make your namespaces go crazy. And let me show you what I talk about here. My namespace right now for this guy is actually console app and then 2 underscores, small underscore menu. That's just a very weird name for a namespace. So if that ever happens to you, you have to rename your namespaces. Now it might just be easier to do a new solution and totally just to get that out of the way, or you can go in here and just right click and press rename like I just did here and just maybe call it small underscore menu like this. So I'll just put underscores instead of the spaces right here. I'll press enter, it'll rename the solution for me, and let's see if it also renames the namespaces for me. So the solution has been renamed right here, but notice the namespace is still the same. Right now it's not a problem. I'll just rename it right here like this. Now I have another namespace, and then what I want to do is I want to right click again here and go into properties just to make sure that it actually renamed everything that I need. So notice now this is actually the name for the actual .NET Core application I'm getting, and this is actually the name for the namespace. Next lesson we'll start using the namespaces. That's why this is rather important for me right now. But again, if you want to look at the properties for your specific solution, you can right click the solution and press properties. Then a screen like this will pop up. That'll give you a lot of great information. Right now the most important one for me was the name of the actual assembly and the name of the namespace. We'll dive more into this later, but again, if you guys by mistake gave something a bad name, this might be an idea to go in and rename it, because it'll just make a lot of bad things in your projects when you start having really ugly naming here, like dollar signs or spaces or AØO, which is letters in the Danish language. Don't put them in the namespaces, they will destroy your solutions. I just want to put that in as a note. So keep it simple with your solution names and everything will be hunky-dory. And next lesson we'll start working on expanding our beautiful console app. See you in the next lesson.